Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how to create modern and animated social media icon with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript in a single file code. So these icons are responsive and even include the updated text branding of Twitter. So this is perfect for web developers looking to add some flair to their project. So let's start the video. So first of all, let's see our project. Here we are using a single HTML file with embedded CSS and JavaScript. So here's the basic structure. So first of all, we have a social container div holding multiple icon wrapper divs, each with an icon div inside. Each icon use font awesome classes for the symbols like of the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. I have also added tooltips with spans to show the platform name on if you hover on it. At the bottom, we link to Font Awesome's CDN for the icon. Now here's the styling part. The body uses Flexbox to center everything on the black background. The social container has a glass morphism effect with backdoor filter blur. Each icon has a gradient background and a cool border that appears on hovering using the before pseudo element. We have got a pulse animation with keyframe that runs infinitely, and on hover, the icon rotates. For the latest Twitter X icon, we override font awesome Twitter icon with custom CSS. And to make this fully responsive, we use Flex Wrap so icons stack on smaller screens and clamp for dynamic sizing. Check out this on a phone size screen, it looks great like this. They stack vertically in a column like this. This ensures it works on desktop, tablets, and phone without breaking. And finally, the JavaScript. We select all icons and add event listeners. On mouse enter, the pulse animation stops for a clean hover effect, and on mouse leaving, it restarts. When you click an icon, a switch statement opens the right social media site on a new tab. And this is just in one file. We have built this responsive animated social media icon. You can customize the color size or animation to your fit and whatever your style you want to give it. You can download the file code from the description below. And so that was it in the video, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content videos.